Namaste, Om Shanti to everyone.
Namaste. Hi.
How are you?
Namaste.
Please on your mobile camera. Okay. Everybody is from Bali Yoga School. My voice is clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Everybody present there in yesterday's class.
Yes.
In yesterday class. Any question from yesterday's class? No question? So, sit in any comfortable position for starting the class. Spine straight. Adopt chin mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om followed by opening mantra. Opening mantra, repeat after me. Yogena cettasya padena vacham malam sarirasya cha vaidyakena योपाकरोत्तम प्रवरम मुनीनाम पतंजलिम प्रांजलिरानतोस्मि Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an edge. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Everybody is fine? Open your notebook and now write down some anatomical terms. Anatomical terms. The first term is tachy, T-A-C-H-Y. Tachy.
Could you please repeat that?
T-A-C-H-Y, tachy. T-A-C-H-Y. Tachy.
Is that in the book?
Yeah, tachy means excessively fast. Excessively fast. Example, tachycardia. That is fast rate of heartbeat. Clear? Tachy. Example, tachycardia, fast rate of heartbeat. Next is Brady, B-R-A-D-Y. Brady. Brady means slow. S-L-O-W, slow. B-R-A-D-Y, yeah. Slow. Example, bradycardia, slow rate of heartbeat. Next term is nephro, N-E-P-H-R-O, N-E-P-H-R-O, nephro. N-E-P-H-R-O, nephro. Nephro relates to kidney. N-E-P-H-R-O, yes ma'am. Nephro relates to kidney, K-I-D-N-E-Y. The next term is neuro, N-E-U-R-O, neuro. Neuro relates to nerve, N-E-R-V-E, nerve. Next term, vaso, vaso, vaso. Vaso relates to vessel, vessel, vessel. Next term is tumor, tumor, tumor. What is tumor? Tumor is overproduction of cells. Overproduction of cells. When new cells created but old cells not dying. That is mass formation of cell. Mass formation of cell is known as tumor. Next term is medial, medial, medial. What is medial? Structure near the midline of body. Structure near the midline of body. Next term is lateral, lateral, lateral. What is lateral? Structure away from midline. Structure away from midline. Next term is proximal, proximal, proximal. That is attachment near the limb. Attachment near the limb. Like taking example of our upper arm bone, humerus. For humerus, this point, shoulder joint point is proximal attachment and elbow joint point is distal attachment. Next term is distal, 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 distal. Attachment distance from limb. Distal is attachment distance from limb. Next term is, yeah, Farida ma'am, any problem? You are mute.
Did you call my name? Sorry.
Yeah?
No, all good, all good.
Okay. Next term is anterior. Next term is anterior. Anterior or ventral. ANTERIOR. ANTERIOR. Anterior or ventral. VENTRAL. Anterior or ventral. What is anterior? The front part of body known as anterior. ANTERIOR. Front part of body, front portion of body. The next term is posterior. 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 Next term, posterior or dorsal. DORSAL. Posterior or dorsal. DORSAL. Posterior or dorsal. That is back part of body. Back part or back portion of body is known as posterior or dorsal. The next term is superior. 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 That is part near the head. The parts near the head are superior parts. Next is inferior. 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 That is parts near the toe. Parts near the toe. So these are the anatomical terms. Any question? No question? So our next topic is skeletal system. Write down skeletal system. SKELETAL. Skeletal system. SYSTEM. Skeletal system. What is skeletal system? Write down. It provides structure to the body. It provides structure to the body and protects internal organs. And protects internal organs. It divided into two groups. It divided into two groups. The first one is exoskeleton. Exoskeleton. SKELETON. Exoskeleton. Your connection is weak.
Yeah, it's I don't have a good connection, and I couldn't understand what you were saying after the function of the skeletal system.
Types of skeleton. There are two types of skeleton system.
Yeah.
Exoskeleton. First one is exoskeleton. EXO. skeleton. Exoskeleton. In this system, the bones found outside of the body. In this system, bones found outside of the body means it provides outer covering to animals. It provides outer covering to animals, and they protects their internal body. Means those animals who have outer covering of skeleton or outer covering of bones comes under exoskeleton. Example are ant, ant, snail, snale. These are the example of exoskeleton. The second part of skeleton system is endoskeleton. ENDO. Endoskeleton. SKELETON. Endoskeleton. In this system, bones found inside the body. In this system, bones found inside the body. Example, all mammals including human. Example are all mammals including human. Birds also comes in this category. Clear? Any question from endoskeleton and exoskeleton? No question. I have a question. Turtle comes in which category? Tortoise. Tortoise come,
Turtles?
yeah, in which category?
Turtles come with exoskeleton.
No,
Exoskeleton.
no.
But they have a shell outside, like snails.
Yeah. He have cell outside, but he have internal bones also in legs and face. So turtle comes in both category, endo and exo. Clear? Now come to human skeletal system. Write down human skeletal system. Kim ma'am, please keep on your camera. Human skeleton system. How many bones are there in a human skeleton?
206.
Yeah, 206 bones are there in human skeleton. Write down, there is 206 bones in human skeleton. And these bones are divided into two groups. These bones are divided into two groups. The first one is axial skeleton, AXIAL. Axial skeleton, SKELETON, AXIAL. Axial skeleton. It has 80 bones, 80. It has 80 bones. Which covers all the bones along with central long axis. It has 80 bones. It covers all the bones along with central long axis. It consists of skull, including middle bones, and hyoid bone, HYOID. It consists of skull, 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 including middle ear bones, MIDDLE, middle ear bones, with hyoid bone, HYOID, hyoid bone, that is tongue bone. Hyoid bone is tongue bone. Vertebral column, VETEBRAL, vertebral column, COLUMN, vertebral column, and thoracic cage, THORACIC, thoracic cage.
Is this still part of the axial skeleton?
Yeah, these are the parts of axial skeleton. Skull, including middle ear bones with hyoid bone, vertebral column, and thoracic cage. Now second part is appendicular skeleton, APPENDICULAR, appendicular skeleton, SKELETON, appendicular skeleton. How many bones in appendicular skeleton? How many bones there in appendicular skeleton? Tell me. 206 minus 80. 206 minus 80. How many bones remains? 126. Yes, ma'am. So appendicular skeleton have 126 bones. Appendicular skeleton have 126 bones. It consists of pectoral girdle. It consists of pectoral girdle. Farida ma'am, write down. It consists of pectoral girdle. Pectoral. Pectoral girdle. Girdle. It consists of pectoral girdle, that is also known as shoulder girdle. Shoulder, shoulder girdle. Girdle. It consists of pectoral girdle, upper limbs, pelvic girdle, pelvic, pelvic girdle, pelvic girdle, girdle, that is hip girdle, and lower limbs, lower limbs. Clear? So human skeleton divided into two parts, axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton have 80 bones. It covers all the bones along with central long axis, and it consists of skull including medullary bones with head bone, vertebral column and thoracic cage. The second part is appendicular skeleton. It has 126 bones and it consists of pectoral girdle, upper limbs, pelvic girdle and lower limbs. Any question? Harida ma'am, any question? No question?
Thank you. Good.
What? Anything you saying?
No, all good.
Okay. So enough for today's class. Sit in any comfortable position for closing the session. Sit in any comfortable position for closing the class. Spine straight. Adopt chin mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for one time Om followed by closing mantra. Closing mantra, repeat after me. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। शांति 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 है। Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you for joining the class. We will meet again tomorrow.